Hello to all the traders and investors to your very own channel Trading Guru. Today we are going to talk about one of those amazing strategies that will help you make a lot of profit and end up with a 76% profit ratio. Yes, you heard it right. 76% profit ratio. So without wasting much of a time, we will start this video. We request you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you like the strategy. So here we are on Upstox Mobile Pro, and this is a Bank Nifty chart that we have opened. What we will do is we will understand what the plotting looks like and the time frame that we are going to use for the strategy. So it's going to be a 30-minute time frame. So every candle represents 30 minutes. The first technical indicator that we are going to use is moving average. So we write moving average, we write moving average again, and we write moving average again. So if you see, these are the three moving averages. The first moving average that we are going to apply over here is 8 moving average. It's going to be an exponential moving average. So we select 8 periods, close, and it's an exponential moving average, and we'll color it maybe green. Okay, let's just keep it yellow. So yellow is our 8 moving average. The second one that we are going to use is 14 period moving average. Similar logic, make it exponential, and let's just color it blue. So we have yellow, we have blue, and we have a 50 moving average. We'll just make it change, and we'll make it exponential, and we'll keep it red. So now we have 3 moving averages plotted on the charts. That is the yellow one, which is the 8 moving average, the blue one, which is the 14 moving average, and the red one, which is the 50 moving average. That's the exponential moving average. Now we are going to chart our another indicator that is going to be stochastic. Once we write stochastic right here, okay, one moment. All right, you'll get this indicator. You just have to click on it. The settings are going to be similar. No changes required in the settings. You keep it similar to whatever settings are updated. Just for an FYI, if you see, these are the settings: 14 period, close, and the fast line is the white line, the slow line is the red line. If you see right here. Okay, and then the next indicator that we are going to use is ATR, that's average true range, and here is the indicator. We just click on it, and you can see that there is a line which has come up right over here. So this is our average true range line. So we'll go ahead and explain you what the strategy looks like, and also go ahead and show you a couple of back testings so that you can actually understand the strategy completely and have an amazing trading using this strategy. So what is the strategy? The strategy claims that the blue line, the yellow line, and the red lines. Okay, so if the yellow line is below the blue line and the blue line is below the red line, then it's the first bearish signal that we get. And the second indicator that we wait for is when there is a crossover. When the white line, that's the fast stochastic, crosses the red, that is the slow stochastic. So just to give you an example, if you see it right over here, no, not here, we'll just go a little behind and try to check which is the right trade that we can go ahead and see, take an example of. If you see over here, the yellow line is already below the blue and the red, and this is the point, this specific point right here. Okay, one second. Right here, so this is the point wherein you would go on the sell side. And if you see, the first trade that we are looking into has given us a little loss, but what are the targets? If you just check on the ATR was at 300, so we were targeting 300 points down from here, and we were targeting 300 points up above from here as a stop loss. So 33,575, 875 would be a stop loss and 275 would be a goal. If you see right here, this is where we actually hit our stop loss in this candle and we'll be out. So that was one trade wherein we actually saw a loss. Let's see what we have for the next one. If you see right over here, this is the crossover point, and if you see, all the criterias are met. The blue line is below the yellow line, if you could see right there. Okay, and if you see, it's a crossover in this candle. On this candle it was not a crossover. Over here it is a crossover. So from here, if you see, we are going to target about 300 points, and if you see, 33,981 is the close. The stop loss is going to be 34,281, and we are targeting 33,681, 300 points, as the ATR is around 300. If you see right here, at this particular point we have hit our target and we are done with an amazing profit of about 300 points. So the one that we lost over here, we have already covered in this particular trade. We'll take a little more examples so that we understand this a little more better. It's a very easy trick that we can actually apply and make sufficient profits from stock market. If you see right here, this is the point wherein the stochastic has crossed below, the white line has crossed below the red line, and if you see, all criteria are met. The yellow is below the blue and the blue is below the red. That means 8 moving average is below the 14 moving average, and 14 moving average is below the 15 exponential moving average. So if you see right here, this is the point, and the target is going to be 227 points from here. So if you consider 227 points at this level, that is 34,554, and that would be about 200 points. Okay, let's just consider 200 points to like round up. It's going to be 34,350, and the stop loss is going to be at 34,800. So if you see right here, there is no 800 which has come. We are still in the trade. We are still in the trade, and we hit our targets right over here. So again, a profitable trade. If you see, we have sold at 554, and we are closing right over here with 200 points. Amazing profit. So 2 profitable trades and 1 was a loss-making trade. Let's see what we have in store in future. In past, I would rather say. Okay, this is another point wherein we would go ahead and sell because all the criteria are met. The stochastic white line is crossing below the red line, and if you see right here, we are looking for about 226 points from here. Let's consider 200 points as a round number. So we are looking for 34,575 as a target, and if you want to go ahead and keep a stop loss, it's going to be at 34,975. Again, if you see, there is no buying which has come up, and we have easily hit our target right here or maybe over here. So it's a 3 positives and 1 is a stop loss hit strategy till now. Let's see further and understand what do we have. Okay, so here is another position, amazing position. If you see right here, this is the point wherein we would sell because the blue line is below the yellow is below the red, and there is a stochastic crossover. So right at this point, if you see, it's trading at 35,160, and from there, if you see right here, it's 250 points. So We are looking for 34,800 levels, and the stop loss is going to be at 35,100 and 35,300 and around somewhere there, 310. So if you see right here, I don't see anything in that range of 310. So we are in this trade, in this trade, and then if you see, the target that we were looking for was 34,810, and we hit that target right over here. Yes, right over here. So amazing strategy again. I think we hit our target right here, since this was 35,160, and if you see over here it's 940, and over here it's 808. So right on this we again hit our targets. So that's 4 wins, 1 loss. Let's see what we have in past again. Okay, again another crossover right here on this candle. All criteria is meeting. If you see, it's a 260 points that we are looking for from here. 34,860, 240 points, 260 points from here. I would say it is about 34,600. And if you see right here, we have again hit our targets, and we are again in profit. So that's 5 positives and 1 stop loss hitting trade. Let's see, let's try to go a little behind and check if we see an example of a buy side trade. In buy side, it's exactly the opposite. You just go buy side once all the yellow is above the blue and the blue is above the red, and the white stochastic crosses the red line. That's the fast and the slow. So it's very easy to find out what way the market is going using this strategy, and it's an incredible strategy. If you have seen it, we are not going to go on buy side here because the yellow is still below the red, and that is the reason why we would not go in this trade right here. So it has to be the yellow. If the yellow was over the red right on this particular point, we would have gone in the strategy, but not here because it's still below. Let's see another example wherein you can actually find this amazing thing. Okay, so here is that example. If you see right here, everything is matching. It's a crossover, and here is where we will go ahead and get into the trade. So that is at 36,086 the target. We are looking 200 points from here, so 36,286 is what we are looking for. And if you see right here, we have hit the target. If you see on the high for this candle is 36,418. So again, one more profitable trade, 6 profits and 1 loss till now. If you see right here, again there's one more amazing entry that we have got right on this particular point. If you see, the ATR right here is about 230 points. The close is 35,208, and if you see, we are looking for 240 points, so that would be 34,960. And if you see right here on this candle, we have achieved our goal. So 8 out of 8 profitable trades and 1 loss making trade. If you see, again one more trade is what we will check. We're just trying to find somewhere that we can go ahead and check a buy side or a sell side trade. Okay, so you can consider this This is not a crossover. Above. Okay, we are just trying to find one, and I think we have got one. Not yet. If you see right over here, it looks like a setup, but again the blue line is not crossing the red, the yellow is not crossing the blue on the upside, so it's not a proper setup, so we are not going for this. It's always easy to go ahead and wait instead of just rushing into a trade and being in a loss making strategy. You can see there are n number of opportunities of making money with this strategy. Okay, so this is the one that we can go ahead and refer to. If you see, it's a crossover, and I'll just push the market on this side so that you can view it. All right, okay, so this is the point wherein you can see a crossover, the white line crossing the red on stochastic, and all the criterias are met. If you see, the ATR that you're looking for is 208 points. 200 points is what we can consider. So 36,836, we are looking for 37,036, and if you see right over here, we meet it right on this candle. So the high for this candle is 36,068. We hit the target. It's 9 profitable trades and 1 loss making trade is what we have got from this entire strategy. So this is one of the strategies that we practice, and we really preach this strategy because this has given us amazing results in intraday. Do go ahead and check this strategy out on Paper Trading. Would request you to go ahead and speak to your advisor, investment advisor, before taking any trades, since this particular video is only for learning purpose, and we want you to go ahead and learn as many strategies as possible which can actually give you a blend to go ahead and make incredible profits in intraday stock markets. So do request you to go ahead and again subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. This is one of those international strategies that we have brought to you in the Indian market to go ahead and change the way a day trader can go ahead and make money. So thank you so much for your time. You have a great time ahead.